the west. I've been driving all day long, I sure could use some rest. There's a motel up ahead where I can unwind, 'cause I sure love thunderstorms and neon signs. I grew up on the road from town to town. My daddy line of work kept us moving around. I got fond memories of the way things were back then. The warmth of the neon when a bad storm was moving in. We'll listen to the opera at small cafe. We'll stop to get a bite along the way. Whenever I hear them wheels begin to whine, it take me back to another time. I got a real nice room with the radio and TV. This here motel living is the only life for me. And it looks like it'll be raining for quite some time. Mixed with the lightning is the glow from a neon sign. Alrighty now. We'll listen to the opera at small cafe. We'll stop to get a bite along the way. Whenever I hear the wheels begin to whine, it take me back to another time. Blowing it from the west. I've been driving all day long, I sure could use some rest. There's a motel up ahead where I can unwind, 'cause I sure love thunderstorms and neon signs. Lord, I sure love thunderstorms and neon signs. That's my life story there.